Hi folks, welcome back to our channel where we give you all the tips and tricks for all your remodeling needs. I'm Joe Ferranti Gennaro.
And I'm Delina Novak. And today we like to discuss the new trends of freestanding tubs.
Okay, so
I have a lot of questions.
You have questions?
Yes,
Okay.
I have a lot of questions from the homeowners. Okay, they are wanting to take out their tub, the mounted tub.
Like a deck mounted tub?
Yes, a deck mounted tub,
Okay.
and they are seeing everybody getting these freestanding tubs, and they want to know if it'll fit in their bathroom, and if they can have jets in it.
Okay.
So the one question is if it'll fit. They want to know if you take out that big tub, what happens when you take out the
Okay,
mounted
those
tub.
are all very important questions to bathroom designs.
Mm-hmm.
The newest trends for bathrooms is taking out these deck mounted
Mm-hmm.
tubs. But you're right, sometimes there's some restrictions on the sides. We just completed a job where we had a corner tub, and a lot of people think with that corner tub there's more space than there actually is there.
Mm-hmm.
You need about 60 inches for a freestanding tub to go back in. That's kind of like the
All the
small.
way around?
Well, the length.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you need about 60 inches in length to put a freestanding tub in. And you still need 60 inches in depth because you have to walk up to the tub.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's a part where most people don't understand. They're like, oh, well, it's only 30 inches by 60,
Mm-hmm.
so I have plenty of room. But you have to be able to approach it. And so really, it's a square of 60 by 60 because the tub is 60 inches long by 30 inches or 32 or 36.
Mm-hmm.
But then you need somewhere around 30 inches to be able to walk up to it, some clear space for
Right.
that. So you still need that square block of 30 by or 60 by 60. So one of the biggest trends is to remove the tub deck out and put in a freestanding tub.
And that's a tub that will stand all the way. You can walk around it.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, there's no deck, so
Right.
completely get rid of that. Usually we tile behind it.
Mm-hmm.
It sets on the floor, so
Mhm.
we usually have to open up the floor, whether it's a wood frame floor or concrete, and we would move the plumbing and set the tub back in place. And then you have some options on the valve location.
Mm-hmm.
Have you been on one of our jobs where they have a couple different valve types?
So one I went on and had the valve was on the floor, like coming up from the floor and over, and the other one was mounted on the freestanding tub.
Okay, on the tub rail.
Yeah.
Which one did you like better?
I loved the floor one. I like the way it looks.
Yeah,
It's clean.
the
it's
floor one
pretty.
has got a really nice
Mhm.
look to it. It's just very modern and kind of like old school and new school,
Mhm.
together. Or
It's pretty.
transitional
Yeah,
look
it's
to
nice.
it.
I like
It's
it.
very clean,
Mhm.
very clean look to it. But yes, so we can order a tub that has space on the rail where we can mount the valve
Mhm.
right on it. We also can put a floor mounted valve. So the valve would set on the floor and then would come up and roll over the tub.
Mhm.
So we have both of those options. The floor mounted valves are usually a little bit more
Oh,
expensive
that was my
than,
next question.
yeah, I mean, you're talking about a plumbing fixture that's, almost 4 feet tall. So
Mhm.
there's a lot more metal and everything in there. A little harder to install also.
And then the other question, the homeowner, she wanted it to be jetted. She wanted to have like a spa. She really wanted that spa feel of like a jacuzzi
Okay.
in the tub. And I told her that I knew that there was two different types, that I needed to talk to you about the two different types
Okay.
of jets and air.
Yeah.
Jet
So
and air.
in the freestanding tub world, we have freestanding tubs, and then you can have air jets in them.
Mhm.
Do you know the difference
So
between the air
when
and
the air jets shoot those little things that go around inside the tub.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yeah, they're almost, those jets are almost the size of like a pencil,
Mm-hmm.
and no water leaves the tub.
Mm-hmm.
So just hot air is blown through the tub. And most women like that kind of tub for bubble baths and salts in the water. If you want to have a relaxing spa-like experience, that's the tub.
The air.
Yeah, the air tub blows hot air through the tub.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to put the salts and the bubble baths in a tub, you don't want to use a water jetted tub because the bubbles in the soap are going through the motor and coating everything. It's the water's leaving the tub and coming back in.
So yeah, it's just circulating.
It's circulating,
and,
yeah.
And it's pushing all the salt
And
and,
it kinda
soap all the way through with it.
Gunks and cooks it up, and
Yeah.
the next time you use the tub, it's a mess to try and clean, right? So
Yeah.
that's where the air tubs really started taking over the market. But if you go and run and work out and you're sore, the air tub's not, it's not giving you a massage.
Right.
Yeah. So if you want just a massage tub, then you would put just water and yourself in it and turn on the motors, and you would get a nice massage.
More like a jacuzzi.
Like a jacuzzi,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, that makes sense.
There's also quite a few less options on a true jetted tub on freestanding, because it's hard to get the motor and all those air pipes and water pipes in those freestanding tubs. So they tend to be a little larger. So your smaller ones, you just don't have a lot of options on design and styles for the true jetted tub. Where the air tubs, there's quite a few of the freestanding tubs.
Because the mounted tubs, a lot of the homes you go into, they have. They come with those jets.
That's why they did it like that. They built this big tub deck, and then they hit all the plumbing underneath it, right? When you pull those out, you can see all the plumbing. Well, with a freestanding tub, there's nowhere to hide it. It's got to be inside the shell of the tub. That makes it a little more difficult to get all that plumbing in there. So yeah, that's one of the hottest design trends. I'd say 7 out of 10 bathrooms, we're trying to figure out a way to A, do we have the space, and B, can we get a freestanding tub in there, and do we want it to be air soaking or jetted? All right, folks, well, thank you for listening to our show today. Any more information you'd like to have about freestanding tubs, go to our website, tampakitchenandbath.com. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.
Goodbye.